Hello. Well, thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm doing a little project here since the fishing video I'm doing didn't turn out worth a damn. I want to at least get y'all something that, that I can put out that y'all might be able to enjoy. So here's what I'm working on. Alright. I've got the door here, and I'm working on putting these hinges on. They're gonna go kind of something like this. Let's see. Yeah. They're gonna go kind of something like that. And I'll get y'all set up on the tripod. And yeah, I kind of already put some holes in there, but I'll get covered up. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on. Better securing the front door. So y'all stay tuned. I'll get y'all on the tripod, and we'll get this project finished up. Okay. Yeah. Come on. Damn it. There we go. Get y'all all locked in place. Okay. And then, oops. I'll get y'all more. Let's see here. There we go. Alright, what's the name of this product? I am not sponsored by these people. Well, I'm not sponsored at all, but this is the name of the product. It's in black and gold. And it's not focusing. It's called Door Lock. So let me get it and let me get it set it up. Alright. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. So that goes like that. bada boom, bada bing. And just like that, yeah, it's installed. Although, I want to get one more screw. Might as well get 4 in here, right? Okay. Might as well get 4 in here. Hoping that'll work. I don't know. I mean, shit, yeah. I was gonna end up tearing it up. Okay, well. Yeah. This screw's gonna end up tearing up the door, so I'm not gonna do it. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Well, that's not at all what I'd hoped for. Shit. Oh, you know what? Yeah, I don't think I can. Fuck. Oh. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know. See if this works. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That works. Uh-oh. Yeah, that works mighty nicely. I'd like to have been a little more snug to the door. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah. See? You pull out, and it's unlocked, and boom. You lock it, and nobody's gonna get in. But yeah, you just pull out to leave it locked when you want to go and everything, or when, you know, my mom's by herself, you just bada boom, lock it at night, and you're good to go. Alright, so, hold on. Damn it. Okay. Alright. So, like I said, I'm working on getting fishing content out, but I figured this little project would be better than nothing. And I think everybody should have them. I think apartment people should have these. These things are great, man. You know, but for all you apartment people out there, here's another little trick y'all can do. All right, And I'm sure some of you know this, but and I'm sure some of you know this, but hold on. But just in case, all right. I don't think I can get y'all. No. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. And anyways, you got your door hinge down here. Never use the stuff that comes with it. You always want to use some bigger, heavy-dutier screws. So that way, if anybody, because this is the weakest part on your door, right in here, where it where it locks in, and so you never want to, because if somebody kicks this in hard enough, it can break this all off. But if you go get you some 2 3/4, almost 3-inch screws and sock in there, they'll have a hard time kicking your door in. So, anyway, that's all I wanted to show y'all. And what I'll do is